Let me ask you something. How do you actually manage your business finances right now? Is it a spreadsheet? Your email inbox? Maybe a folder on your desktop called "Sort This Later"? Or, and I say this with love, a shoebox full of receipts? If any of those hit a little close to home, you are not alone. Most small business owners start exactly there. But by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly what accounting software is, what it actually does, and whether your business genuinely needs it right now or whether you can hold off. No fluff, no sales pitch, just the honest answer. Quick note before we dive in. This channel is dedicated to helping small business owners, freelancers, and solopreneurs make smarter financial decisions. We test accounting tools, break down confusing finance topics, and give you honest, unbiased advice. Hit subscribe if that sounds useful to you. So, what is accounting software? At its core, it is a digital system that tracks money coming into your business and money going out. That is the simple version. But let me make it even more real. Think about everything that happens financially when you run a business. Someone pays you, you pay a supplier, you pay rent, subscriptions, your phone bill, you send invoices, you chase late payments, you try to figure out at the end of the month whether you actually made money or whether it just felt like you did. Right now, if you are doing all of that manually, you are spending time on tasks that software can do in seconds. Accounting software connects directly to your bank account and pulls your transactions in automatically. It generates professional invoices in seconds. It gives you a live profit and loss report so you always know where you stand. That is your financial command center. And once you have it, you will wonder how you ever ran a business without it. Now let me walk you through the 6 core things that accounting software actually does, because this is where people get confused. They think it is complicated. It really is not. Number 1. Bookkeeping. Every transaction your business makes, money in, money out, is recorded, categorized, and organized automatically. Number 2. Invoicing. You create and send professional invoices directly from the software. Many tools let your clients pay by card instantly with a built-in payment button. And the software chases late payments for you with automatic reminders. Number 3. Bank reconciliation. This is matching your bank transactions to your accounting records. Old school bookkeeping, this took hours every month. With modern software, minutes, because your bank is connected and transactions are matched automatically. Number 4. Financial reporting. At any point, you generate a profit and loss statement, a balance sheet, a cash flow report in one click. These are exactly the reports your accountant will ask for at tax time. Number 5. Expense tracking. You photograph a receipt on your phone. The software reads it and records the expense automatically. No more lost receipts. No more scrambling at year-end trying to remember what that mystery charge from 3 months ago was. Number 6. Tax preparation. Depending on where you are in the world, accounting software calculates your VAT, GST, or sales tax automatically. In the UK, Xero is fully compliant with making tax digital, meaning you submit your VAT return directly from the software. 6 features, all of them designed to take work off your plate and put clarity back into your finances. Now, a quick look at the main players, because when you search for accounting software, you will be hit with a wall of options. Xero, cloud-based, very popular in the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Clean interface, excellent bank connections, strong app ecosystem. This is the one I recommend most often for growing small businesses. QuickBooks Online, the dominant player in the US. Huge user base. Has been raising prices recently, which is why a lot of people are exploring alternatives. FreshBooks, fantastic for freelancers and service-based businesses. Very simple. Great invoicing and time tracking built in. Wave, completely free. A solid starting point for very small businesses or side hustles, though it has limitations as you grow. Sage, well established, especially in the UK. Strong compliance features and a long track record. There are others: Zoho Books, MYOB for Australians and New Zealanders, Free Agent for UK freelancers. We cover all of them in depth on this channel. But those 5 are the names you will see most often. Okay, now for the part most videos skip. Do you actually need accounting software right now? Let me give you the honest answer. You probably do not need it yet if you are pre-revenue. If you have not started making money, a spreadsheet is genuinely fine. Do not over-engineer your setup before you have validated your business. You probably do not need it yet if you are making fewer than around 20 or 30 transactions per month. A handful of clients, occasional payments, minimal expenses, a well-organized spreadsheet can still handle that. You probably do not need it yet if you are a sole trader earning under around £20,000 or $25,000 a year, with no employees, no VAT registration, and straightforward finances. But here is where that changes. You do need accounting software if you are spending more than 2 hours a month on your finances. 2 hours a month is roughly the break-even point where software pays for itself in time alone, and most tools cost between $13 and $35 a month. You need it if you have employees or contractors. The moment you are running payroll, you need proper software. Manual payroll is a compliance risk. Full stop. You need it if you are VAT registered or GST registered in Australia or New Zealand. Tax on sales means you need accurate records. No exceptions. You need it if you are growing fast. The best time to set up accounting software is before your finances get messy, not after. You need it if you work with an accountant or want to. Accounting software cuts the time your accountant spends sorting through your records, which cuts your bill. Xero in particular has a whole accountant collaboration system built in. You need it if you are seeking investment or a business loan. Banks and investors ask for financial statements. Accounting software generates those in seconds. And here is the one most people do not think about. You need it for your own peace of mind. When your finances are scattered across spreadsheets, bank statements, and memory, there is always a low-level anxiety. You do not actually know if you are profitable. You do not know your cash position. You are making decisions on gut feel instead of data. Accounting software fixes that, and that alone is worth more than the monthly fee. Quick note on pricing. Most small business accounting software runs between free and $50 a month. Wave has a genuinely free plan that works well for very small operations. Entry-level plans from Xero, FreshBooks, and QuickBooks start around $13 to $20 a month and cover the basics for a sole trader or freelancer. Mid-tier plans between $25 and $50 a month add payroll, multi-currency support, and advanced reporting, suitable for most growing small businesses. Most providers offer a 30-day free trial so you can test before you commit. If you want to try Xero, the link in the description below gets you an extended trial. So here is your action plan depending on where you are right now. If you are just starting out, try Wave for free or grab a 30-day Xero trial and see if it clicks. The setup takes less than an hour. If you are already using a spreadsheet and growing, the time to switch is now before the complexity compounds. Xero and FreshBooks both import historical data so you do not lose anything. If you are already on QuickBooks but frustrated with the price increases, I have a dedicated video on the best QuickBooks alternatives in 2026. I will link it at the end of this video. And if you are not sure which tool is right for you, the next video to watch is my complete breakdown of the best accounting software in 2026, tested with real accounts. That will give you everything you need to make a confident decision. So, what is accounting software? It is the system that replaces your spreadsheet, your shoebox, and your financial anxiety with one clean, automated, always up-to-date picture of your business finances. Do you need it? If you are running a real business, growing a client base, dealing with tax, or paying people, yes. Genuinely, yes. And the earlier you set it up, the easier everything becomes. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe for honest, jargon-free accounting and finance videos every week. And drop a comment. Let me ask you something. How do you actually manage your business finances right now?